Welcome back to my channel. So excuse my messy, cluttered kitchen at the moment. I'm going to clean it, but I wanted to first show you guys something exciting for you. Yes, you. I've been showing in my videos my what I ate todays, me using my air fryer that I absolutely love. You can make so much healthy foods in here, perfect for Weight Watchers, lots of low point foods. And yeah, I've shown you how to make like jalapeno poppers and phyllo shells. I've shown you how to make chicken tenders. I've shown you how to make blueberry crisp. There's so many things you could do with the air fryer, and this is my favorite thing to have in the kitchen. I absolutely love it. Super easy. It's like the easiest thing ever, and I'm so glad I have it. This is my baby. For any of you that would like a baby like this, the Avalon Bay, I've got something to show you. You ready? Look at this. Okay, you ready? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, let me take it out of the box. So I'm gonna have a giveaway, and you are going to get your very own air fryer. And this is a little different from mine. It's actually pretty much the same. The only real difference is the stainless steel inside. I'll show you. I'm not gonna use it. I'll just show you guys, so when you get it, you're not like, she ate out of it. But okay, this one is square, and the one that I'm gonna show you is a circle, and it's just, one of you guys are gonna be lucky, okay? So you get some recipes in here to help you out. There's a lot of good things, lots of easy recipes. Like, you guys can make pizzas, all kinds of stuff. It's exciting. There's your actual air fryer that you will be getting. Dun, dun, dun. So let's put them side by side so I can show you guys. And now when you see whoever the winner is, or if you have an air fryer, whenever you see me using it, you can now copy me and make your own. And I will have a link down below to the site in case you just want to buy one anyways. And I also have a coupon code for you as well. So just like I said, if you don't want to enter the giveaway and you just want one now, then you could go ahead and check it out and use the code for 15% off. So when you get this, you're probably gonna have my fingerprints on it. I do apologize, but hey. Okay, so this one next to this one. You can see, let me move the camera. So these are basically the same unit. They're just shaped differently, and this one has the stainless steel basket. So yeah, I'm so excited to be able to give you guys this one. Woo! Okay, so what I'm gonna do is tell you how to enter before I get into my haul video. Sorry this is taking a while, but I thought this was so exciting. I wanted to throw it in this video instead of a what I ate today video. But anyways, what you do to win this is you put down your Instagram account in the comment section below. If you don't have an Instagram account, then go ahead and just put your email address. And what I'm gonna do is pick a winner randomly, and I will either DM you or email you back, whoever the winner is. And this giveaway will go on until, what's the date today? What's the date? It's March 1st. Okay, so I'm filming this on March 1st. I'm gonna pick the winner on Thursday, March 8th. I think it's Thursday. But March 8th, I'm gonna pick the winner. So make sure you look at your DMs or your emails on March 8th to see if you are the winner of this. And if you win, please, please, please post the very first recipe that you made and send it to me so I could see what you made. And yeah, anyways, good luck to you guys. These are, like I said, the air fryers are like the best thing ever, best invention ever, and you can make so many things. You make meat, vegetables, desserts, all kinds of stuff. So I'm really looking forward to seeing who the winner is and what they will post, and I'm gonna be sharing mine a lot more, you guys. So anyways, let's get right into the haul video so you guys can see what I got at the grocery store. And good luck, everybody. Hey guys, so I'm here with another grocery haul, and yeah, this one's pretty big compared to my other ones that I share. So let's just get started. Salt-free rice cakes. These are so delicious with PB2 on top. Oh my gosh. And then a little bit of cinnamon, and it's the perfect snack. So scanning it, it's 1 point for 1 cake. Okay, next we got some turkey chili with no beans, 98% fat-free. 4 points for 1 cup. 2 cans of tomato sauce, Got some mild diced tomatoes and green chilies. This is for a chicken one pot recipe I want to make. Then we got some sandwich cheese. I just got the original one because they didn't have the fat-free. Bummer, but I mean the kids and the husband have the cheese more than me. Okay, and the cheese is 2 per slice. Okay, and then I got a yellow bell pepper. Got some broccoli crowns right here. Strawberries, asparagus. Got some baby spring mix for my salads. Got some mangoes. I think I got 2. Yeah, 2 mangoes. And then a cucumber, some green onions. Always need these. Then I got some diced onions. This is the lazy girl onions where you don't want to dice them yourself. I'm gonna have to eat this ASAP, you guys, if it's good, but that's my avocado. A Baby Bell cheese. This is the light one. I really like these. They're just super pricey, so it's every once in a while that I will get them. And they scan, I think it's 1 point each. Let me double check. Yeah, 1 point. We have some Greek yogurt, and I just got the plain vanilla. Usually I get blueberry, banana, or strawberry, but today I decided just the regular vanilla. I could use it in like recipes and stuff too if I wanted. And it's 2 points for one of the containers. Almond milk, like I said in my last one, I'm always getting almond milk every grocery trip. Then just some hot dog buns, you know, for those days where you're like, what are we gonna eat? And you can have some chili dogs and all that. So this is something that we also just get randomly. This scans 3 points for 1 bun. Bananas, got goldfish for the kids. And if you guys like to munch on goldfish like me, then this is something you wanna know. Points. 4 points for 55 pieces. I wouldn't have 55 pieces, but that's just to give you an estimate. But look, if you were to have 32 goldfish, it would be 2 points, so not bad. Miso soup. This stuff is really good. You could even drop your cilantro wontons in there if you go to Trader Joe's. And it's 1 point for a packet. Snacks for the kids. I think I've scanned this one before. It's surprising I haven't memorized it yet. But this is 3 points. Rice Krispie treats. Rice Krispie treats is 4. And I got this. I've got this a long time ago and I just had it as is, but I've been noticing a lot of Weight Watcher girls and men have been using it for other recipes as well, and I've been like, oh, I want to do that. I do remember it tasting kind of plain. I also have seen people mixing Diet Coke with it. I'm really confused with that. I need to jump on that wagon and just see what's going on there. But this scans at 3 points for 1 serving. Light sour cream. I don't know what's going on with my camera here. Okay, so light sour cream. So it's 1 point for 2 tablespoons of the light sour cream. Applesauce, this scans at 4 points for a serving, and the serving is half cup. This is the unsweetened one. Then you got some chicken broth, pretzels. I like these ones a lot, especially when I'm having a glass of wine. These are really good with 1 of these, maybe 2 of these. But yeah, it's a really good snack. Treat yourself to. And when you scan this sucker, let's see. This also tastes good with tuna on top. I love having these pretzels with tuna. So delicious. So 11 crackers is 3 points. I got some brown rice for our rice cooker. We haven't taken out that rice cooker in so long where I'm craving rice. So the rice is 4 points for a half cup. Okay, I saw this and I was like, that looks so good. Don't know the points, so this is gonna be a surprise to me right now, but it looks so good, you guys. Oh! 3 points for 1 serving. Awesome. Good to know. Scampy, I'm gonna probably have you for dinner with a salad. Delicious. Okay, so these are for my husband. Once in a while I'll take a bite. They're so good. They remind me of high school days. The chimichangas, steak and cheese. These weren't the chimichangas they had. 10 points for 1. So I mean, that's if you are having like a big time cheat day. But anyways, I got my cream of wheat packets. This is my go-to breakfast. If you watch my what I ate today videos, you see I eat these a lot. Okay, so my cream of wheat is 3 points for 1 packet. It's seriously my go-to. And then I got some Weight Watcher whipped cream. I've actually never tried this whipped cream, so I thought, hey, why not? So, did I say whipped cream? I meant whipped cream cheese. I've got some Cool Whip here, so it's all, you know, whipped cream. Okay. So, got that. Got blueberries. Some corn tortillas for tacos, of course, because I did get ground turkey. I'm not sure if I showed you guys, but I got 2 of these ground turkeys. And then these right here, everybody in the house loves these. They're Morningstar sausages. The original one, I don't like the maple one, so yeah, just in case you want to like try it out, because I mean, I don't get the maple one, so don't try that one. And this is 1 point per patty. And then I got some chicken breast and some Apple Jacks for my daughter because she tried a small box of it and she was hooked. I like that cereal. Apple Jacks is 5 for 1 cup. And bread, these are 2 points per slice. And some eggs. And that is my grocery haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.